it's third and the last part of this scene creation. So we basically should to have this guy here. And this is a basic lighting, so we will use this. But here actually we have a basic Blender light, so we have to press Z one more time and go to the rendered. So this is the actually how the result is gonna to look. We can put the light whenever we want, but when we are doing this we can show something weird. That's how I feel that wood is not react to this. This is like looks like plastic. So go to the material options here and put down the specular. Now it looks much better. So put the light whenever we want, and if we of course need, we can add much more light. For now we will just use spots. Remember that here is the power of a light. We need the same power as here, so here is this number and here is this guy. Okay, so usually the most important thing if you are a beginner to a good effect, you can add such like this. So from one side where is a light, you can add a hot light, and from the other, when it's dark, we can add a hottest light. And I want to have more power in this, and yeah, we've got this. Kind of. I want to have more power here. Yes. So we have created a basic scene, and if you want, you can add here you could add here kind of a water. So to the cursor we put a circle from here, yes, circle, and put this up, scale down, and go to the tabulator, press if, and now we have a kind of a water. Yes, that's still a basic water, so we can add a new material, of course, add the blue one, roughness, go to the render mode. So that's all. We have done a basic scene, and if we want to render, we have to decide if we want to render Eevee or cycles. We have to go to this option to see this. Here, this televisor, TV, yes, and go to the cycles. So here you beginners cannot see the difference, or maybe you see. Here's a better result, evidently. So as you wanted this, no problem, you can render this. If you like something not so powerful, you can do this, but this will render much more. But what is actually a render? Render is outputting image or animation from the Blender. So if you wanted to go to Eevee, you don't have to do anything here, but if you want the cycles, you have to put some options to make faster this. So here, when we have a render setup, we have to put in a noise stress 1.0 point now, sorry, and max samples 1 to 8. That should be correct. So if we want to render this, we have to click this one guy and render image. And it could take some time. In my situation it will take kind of a minute. Yeah, and if it's done. So if we want to save this, we have to go, click image, save as, and if we want, for example, in a desktop, we can save this. So for example, glass. And congratulations, you finished the level 1. If it helped you to learn the Blender, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.